Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My full name is Widi Utami, and you can call me Widi. My student number 1801174. I'm from 2B English Education, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. And I'm here for completing my assignment, Phonetics and Phonology. But before I continue my video, I just want to ask to you guys, have you ever heard the native speaker when they speak Bahasa? If yes, you ever hear, so what do you think? Do you feel strength when they speak in Bahasa? Or do you feel they are the same with us when they speak Bahasa? Okay guys, for answering that question, let's see this video first.
Nama saya Athena.
Nama saya Titus.
Nama saya Sydney. Apa kabar?
Apa kabar?
Apa kabar?
Toiletnya di mana? Toiletnya di mana?
Toiletnya di mana? Ini Surumbaga.
Ini Surabaya.
Ini Surumbaga.
Nama saya Desy. Apa kabar? Toiletnya di mana? Ini seru banget.
Well guys, in the first video, there are native speakers speak in Bahasa, and in the second video, there is an Indonesian people speak in Bahasa. So, we can compare between the first and the second video. It's really different, right? Why the native speaker jerky when they speak Bahasa? Or why the native speaker are swallowing their sounds when they speak Bahasa? Okay guys, I'll try to share to you why the native speaker are swallowing their sounds when they speak in Bahasa. The first reason is the individual sound change. So the native speaker can speak faster. Why? It is because of where the sound are produced in the mouth. It is too difficult to pronounce the two word sound change to learners. It sounds like lazy English. Let's see for the example. Let's pronounce the following two words slowly and perfectly. Okay, there are two words, good and boy. In the individual sound change, the sound D it's become B. So the native speaker can speak faster with good boy, good boy, good boy. It can be good boy, good boy. The second reason is the sound R. The sound R in Indonesia is produced by having the tip of tongue touch the alveolar ridge for many times. Look, R. While in English is having by tip of tongue move toward the alveolar ridge, but before it curve backward. R, R. Let's get the example. Let's say rasa, for example Indonesia. Rasa, and let's say rice, for example English. Rice. It's really different, right? The R sound in Indonesia is really clear, rasa. But in English, it's like disappear, rice. The third reason is stress. The word and the sentence stress. In the English and in the Indonesia has different sentence and word stress. So the native speaker will jerky or they like swallowing their sounds when they speak in Bahasa. For example, Jakarta. In Indonesia, we say Jakarta. It's also like, but native speakers say Jakarta. We hear it's like so exaggerate. Jakarta, Jakarta, right? Because why? Because the stress is different. In English, if the word has three syllables, mostly the stress is in the middle. And Jakarta has three syllables, so the stress in the middle. Jakarta, Jakarta, Jakarta. And exactly in the sentence. In the sentence will different also between English and Indonesia. The fourth reason is the th and this sound in English. They are often disappear completely in the fast natural speech of native speaker. This happens mainly when they are between two other consonants. Let's see for the example. Let's say this sentence slowly. I can't swim. I can't swim. Let's say really fast. I can't swim. I can't swim. I can't swim. So the t is disappear. So the sound is like I can swim. But it's I can't swim. I can't swim. I can't swim. Well guys, that's all the reason why the native speaker are swallowing their sound when they speak Bahasa. Thanks for watching, so sorry for my mistake. I hope this video can bring some knowledge for us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time, bye!